Good morning, children. In the last video, we have done till exercise 1.2 question number 15. So, today we will be doing that 16, 17 and 18. Three sums are left in exercise 1.2. So, that we will do today and we'll do exercise 1.3. And the illustration which is left, that is illustration number 24, 24, 25, 26. Two, three illustrations was left that I will be explaining you in the next video. Okay, so let's start with our question number 16. All of you look into your textbooks. So your question is 16th one. Three bulbs are defective. In a box of 10 bulbs, two bulbs are randomly selected from this box. These bulbs are fixed in two bulb holders installed in a room. Find the probability that the room will be lighted after starting the electric supply. Okay, so now three bulbs are defective in a box of 10 bulbs. So how many are defective? Three, and how many are non-defective? That is 7. So three defective and 7 non-defective, and total bulbs are 10. Okay, and two bulbs are randomly selected. So out of this 10, two are to be selected. Okay, so your n will be 10C2. That is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. That will be 45. So your n will be 45. Then these bulbs are fixed in two bulb holders installed in a room. Then what you have to find the probability the room will be lighted after starting the electric supply. If the room should be lighted, then the bulb should be non-defective. Then only the room will be lighted. So we will be see that we will be writing that A equal to even that the selected both the bulbs are non-defective. Okay. Now A dash that the event is selected both the bulbs are defective. See, if you are writing directly A, then also your answer will be right only. If you are taking A, then it is 7. So here A is even that is selected both the bulbs are non-defective. Okay. So you have to find out first A dash. That is the event that selected both the bulbs are defective. That you have to find first. Defective होगा तो A dash. So total number of primary outcomes of event A dash is equal to M is 3C2. So non-defective are 3. So 3C2. So 3 into 2 upon 2 into 1, that is 3. Then P of A dash will be M upon N, that is 3 upon 45. So that comes to 1 upon 15. So you have to find A, P of A. P of A means both the bulbs are non-defective. That is 1 minus P of A dash. So that is 1 minus 1 by 15. That comes to 14 upon 15. Okay. So the probability of selected two bulbs are non-defective and the room will be lighted after starting the electric supply, that is 14 by 15. Okay. Now see children, in the question it is said that find the probability that the room will be lighted after starting the electric supply, and you will be thinking of that if it is given like this, if the numbers are given of defective and non-defective both, then why to find out A dash? See, if whenever it is given that like this type of sums, when defective non-defective, like A dash के जैसा कुछ भी ऐसे जो भी negative words होते हैं ना, we are considering them as A dash. If it is given like A dash, A dash के जैसा कोई भी statement दिया हुआ है, so you have to make use of that A dash also to solve the sum. So means अगर आप लोग directly A find करोगे, so A dash का कोई use नहीं आने वाला, so you have to make use of A dash also, so that both the things A defective and non-defective both will be used in the sum. If you are finding directly A, I don't think that your answer you will get the answers. So you have to make use of A dash also, like A P of A dash find करना है, then P of A, that is 1 minus P of A dash. Like this if you are doing, then you will be getting your answer also. Okay. Now we'll see the next question. Now we'll see question number 17. So the question is for two events A and B in the sample space of a random experiment. P of A is 0. Here directly all the numbers are given. That is P of A is 0.6, P of B is 0.5 and P of A intersection B is 0.15. Find P. First one is P of A dash. Second P of B minus A. Third P of A dash A intersection B dash. fourth one is P of A dash intersection B dash, and fifth one is P of A dash union B dash. Okay, so one by one we will be finding by using all the information, that is P of A, P of B, and A intersection B is given. Right. So first of all, you have to write whatever is given in the question, that is P of A 0 0.6, P of B 0 0.5, and P of A intersection B is 0 0.15. Now you have to find P of A dash. What is the formula of P of A dash is 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 0 0.6. So your answer comes to 0 0.4. So P of A dash is 0 0.4. Now you have to find next is P of B minus A. So your B minus A is formula. What is the formula? P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो ही आप लोगों को याद रखना है. P of B minus A हो तो P of B minus A intersection B, and if it is A minus B, then P of A minus P of A intersection B. Always remember in such a way. So here the value of P of B is 0.5 minus P of A intersection B is 0.15. So your answer is 0.35. So P of B minus A is 0.35. Now next third one is P of A intersection B dash. So that will be P of A minus P of A intersection B. See here B dash dash B पे दिया है, but यहाँ पर P of A लिया है. Always remember that also. ओके अगर B माइनस ए और A माइनस बी होता तो हम पहले जो फर्स्ट लेटर होता है वो हम पहले लेते हैं. इफ B माइनस ए देन P of B minus P of A intersection B, and P of A minus B then P of A minus P of A intersection B, like this we are doing. If it is P of A intersection B dash, then if it is A intersection B dash, dash is given on B, then also we are first using P of A minus P of A intersection B. And if it is P of A dash intersection B, then we are using P of B minus P of A intersection B. Always remember in such a way. So you will not forget that formulas. So now A intersection B dash is given. So you have to find A intersection B dash. The P of A minus P of A intersection B. So that is 0.6 minus 0.15 is 0.25. So A intersection B dash is 0.25. Now next is P of A dash intersection B dash. That is P of uh, P of A union B, the whole dash हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे whole dash आएगा. Okay. So then 1 minus P of A union B. So that will be P of A uh, and A union B is not given, so first you have to find A union B, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is simple law of addition, and I told you in the last video that if it is not given any exhaustive or exclusive nothing is given in the question, then your formula of law of addition will be like this: P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, if it is given like any exclusive or exhaustive thing is given in the question, then again your formula will be changing. That is P of A union B will be P of A plus P of B, like this. Okay. Then now 0.6 plus 0.5 minus 0.15 is 1.1 minus 1.1 minus here 0.6 plus 0.5 is 1.1 minus 0.15, that is 0.95. So the value of A union B is 0.95. Now you have to put the formula, put in that formula, that is A dash intersection B dash equal to P of A union B the whole dash, that is equal to 1 minus P of A union B, that is 1 minus 0.95. Okay, so here the thing is that by doing this sum, your formula will be learned by you. Okay, so always practice this types of sums more. Now A dash union B dash, that is P of A intersection B the whole dash, right? Whole dash यहाँ पे कहीं भी नहीं दिया, that is a mistake. So you have to write over here P of A intersection B the whole dash, that is 1 minus P of A intersection B, that is 1 minus 0.5, that comes to 0.85. So P of A dash intersection union B dash is equal to 0.85. Okay, now we'll see the next sum. That is question number 18. This is the last sum of your exercise 1.2. Okay. The now question is for two events A and B in the sample space of a random experiment. P of A dash equal to 2P of B dash, that is equal to 3P of A intersection B. Uh, and that is equal to 0 0.6. Find the probability of difference event A minus B and B minus A. Just now only I have told you that what is the formula of A minus B and B minus A. Okay, so 1 minute. Now see, here it is given that P of A dash equal to 2P of B dash equal to 3P of A intersection B equal to 0 0.6. Okay, so values of P of A dash is 0 0.6. All the values, सभी के value 0.6 है, right? Equal to का sign है, and this is all. This is an important sum. Tick mark, tick important in your textbook. So P of A dash is 0 0.6, 2P of B dash is 0 0.6, and 3P of A intersection B is 0 0.6. अब P of A dash directly is given, that is 0 0.6. Now 2P of B dash. So your calculation will be like this. See, now P of, I told you that P of A dash. P of A dash will be 0 0.6 and P of 2P of B dash will be 0 0.6. That means P of B dash will be 0 0.6 divided by 2. That comes to 0 0.3. Like this you have to find, right? Now, one more thing is given, that is 3P of A intersection B is 0 0.6. So again you have to divide that. That is P of A intersection B equal to 0 0.6 upon 3, that is 0 0.2. Okay, so that will be, now you got P of A dash is 0 0.6, P of A dash 0 0.6, P of B dash 0 0.3, here dash is there, P dash 0 0.3, and P of A intersection B is 0 0.2, right? Now three values you got. Now you have to find A minus B and B minus A. Okay, so I told you, and A minus B and B minus A, for that before you have to find the A minus B का formula क्या था? P of A minus P of A intersection B. So A intersection B is with you, but P of A is not there. But instead of that, P of A dash they have given. So you have to find out first P of A. So that is 1 minus P of A dash. That is 1 minus 0 0.6 is 0 0.4. So the value of P of A is 0 0.4 and P of B dash is 0 0.3. So you have to find P of B. That is 1 minus 0 0.3 is 0 0.7. Right. Now you have to put the formulas A minus B. So that is A minus B का formula क्या है? P of A. I told you first letter क्या है? A है. So P of A minus P of A intersection B. So 0.4 minus 0.2 is 0.2. Now P of B minus A, that is P of B minus P of A intersection B. A intersection B दोनों में common है. A intersection B, that is 0.7 minus 0.2, that is 0.5. Right. So this is the way how you have to solve your sums. Means in the question whatever is given, so you have to make use of that things and you have to solve the given question. The whatever is given, that you have to find out. Okay, यहाँ पे A dash दिया था तो आप लोगों को P of A find करना है, B dash दिया था आप लोगों को P of B find करना with the help of A dash and B dash. Right? Now we'll see the next exercise. Here we are ending our exercise 1.2. And now we will see exercise 1.3. Okay. So first of all I will, so let's see that. So all of you take out your exercise 1.3. So your first question is in 1.3. Two cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that both the cards are drawn. First is one of the same suit and one of same color. First question is one of the same suit, and the second question is of the same color. Okay. Now, what is there? Total 52 cards, and out of this 52 cards, you have to select two cards. So your n will be 52C2, that is 52 into 51 upon 2 into 1, that comes to 1326. Okay. So now first you have to, what is event A? A equal to event that two cards are of the same suit, that is two cards are of either spade or club or a heart or diamond. So itna sab nahi likhna, better you can write that A equal to event that two cards are of the same suit. Suit means design. Suit means design. Okay. Uh, Now two colors are of the same suit now. Then m equal to how many in one design? How many cards are there? 13 cards and four designs. So four times you have to write 13C2 plus 13C2 plus 13C2 plus 13C2. Last year I have explained you why we are using where we are using plus and where we are using multiplication. See children, if two cards are to be selected and that is satisfied at a single time, then you have to use plus. Means two select करना था वो एक ही बार में हमने two एक साथ में select कर लिया तो plus आएगा. अगर एक एक करके select करते हैं ना जैसे 13C1 into 13C1 तो into लगता है एक एक करके select करते हैं. यहाँ पे two select करने को बोला है तो together we have taken two, एक साथ में ही two ले लिया. Okay, so that's why we have done plus sign. Means these are the conditions. और है यानी either it can be spade or club or heart or diamond. Okay, so 13C2 plus 13C2 plus 13C2 plus 13C2, that is 4. You have to multiply all these things. 13C2 into 4, 4 into 13C2, और इसको अलग अलग भी कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं, like 13 into 12 upon 2 into 1, so that can be 13 into 6, that is 78. 78 को 4 times multiply plus करोगे तो you will be getting 312. Okay, so now P of A is m upon n, that is 312 upon 131326, that reduced to 4 by 17. So the probability of both the cards drawn are of the same suit is 4 by 17. Now your next question, the first question, your second one is B, even that two cards are of the same color. Now color you have to find. Same color means there are in 52 cards total two colors are there, that is black and red. So in black color 26 cards are there and in red color also 26 cards are there. Okay, so you have to select two cards of the same color. So 26C2 plus 26C2, right? So that will be your answer will be 650. So P of B equal to m upon n, that is 650 upon 1326, that is 25 upon 51. Okay, so therefore the probability of both the cards are of the same color is 25 upon 51. Like this you have to end your answer in a statement. I am telling you again and again because you have to write the statement. If you are not writing the statement, I am going to cut your marks. In board also you will not getting marks if you are not writing the statement. Those who are scoring more than 90 marks, for them this small points matters a lot. Okay, so be careful while writing your answers, even it is of 1 mark or it is of 5 marks. Now next question. 3 books of statistics and 4 of mathematics are arranged in a shelf. 2 books are randomly selected from these books. Find the probability that both the books selected are of the same subject. Okay, so total how many books are there? 3 plus 4, 7. So how many you have to select? 2 books are randomly selected. So total your outcome, that is your n will be 7C2. So your n comes to 21. So first what you have to find the probability that both the selected books are of the same subject. So first of all, what you have to find? Even that both the books selected are of the same subject. So that was the event A. Now okay, so both are of the same subject holder. So 3 of statistics, that is 3C2, and 4 of mathematics, that is 4C2. Right, plus kiya hai. At a time we have selected both. Two are to be selected, they told to select 2. and we have selected from states also too, plus mathematics too. This both are the condition in or. Okay, either it can be statistics or it can be mathematics. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So your P of A is m upon n, that is 9 upon 12, that comes to 3 by 7. So what is your statement? Therefore, the probability of both the selected books are of the same subject equal to 3 by 7. Okay. Now again, one card is randomly drawn from a pack. See children here, that questions, many questions are related to that cards. So it is that there are the condition that it is possible that this card के type के some question आ सकते हैं, because so many questions are related with these cards. Okay, so one card is randomly drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that it is first is spade card or ace, and second is neither spade nor ace. Neither nor आया, so dash हो जाएगा. Okay, one card is randomly selected from 52 cards. So your total outcome, that n equal to 52 C1, that is 52. So first of all you got 52 your outcome n. Okay, now first condition is spade card or ace. Spade or ace. So A equal to even that selected card is of spade or ace बोला ना, तो one by one find करना है. First is अगर selected card spade हुआ तो spade means one design है, तो 13 C1, so that is 13. Okay, P of A equal to m upon n, that is 13 upon 52. And even B will be the selected card is ace, that is third. Again, ace means how many ace are there in all the in the pack? 4 ace are there. Okay, so that will be 4C1. So that will be 4 upon 52. Now spade or ace, है ना? Spade or ace बोला है तो P of A intersection B, that is A even that selected card is of spade ace, spade or ace, spade ace होना चाहिए, right? So intersection B, so P of A intersection B equal to uh, 1 only. Spade भी है और ace भी, spade and ace होगा ना, तो spade भी है और ace भी है वो, right? Spade और ace नहीं आता है उसमें, spade and ace आता है. Okay, so, then it is not like that either it can be spade or it can be ace. Spade and ace हो सकता है, spade और ace नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so 1C1 spade में एक डिजाइन में एक ही A होता है, so 1C1. So P of A intersection B is m upon n, that is 1 by 52. Now P of A union B इंटरसेक्शन भी फाइंड करना है आप लोगों को. इसमें फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या था? यू हैव टू स्पेड और एज बोला था ना, तो पी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी हो गया, तो पी ऑफ ए प्लस पी ऑफ बी माइनस पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. सो योर आंसर कम्स टू 13 upon 52 plus 14 upon 52 minus 1 upon 52, that comes to 4 by 16 upon 52, that reduced to 4 by 13. Now the probability of selected card is spade or an ace is 4 by 13. और आएगा तो यूनियन होता है, राइट? So P of A union B का formula है P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection C. So first of all you have to write the formula, then only you will come to know what you have to find out. So the statement was selected card should be a spade or ace. This was your question, right? So based on this question your formula comes to P of A union B. Or means क्या होता है? Intersection. So we have a spade card we have selected as A, and ace card we have selected as B. Okay, so P of A union B होगा तो formula will be P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So one by one you have to find P of A also you have to find, P of B also you have to find, and P of A intersection B also you have to find. So in such a way you can find the sum. So here P of A is card is spade and P of B is card is an ace, then P of A intersection B is card is spade and ace, and आएगा ना तो intersection होता है, और आता है तो union. Okay, always remember that. Now we'll see. Now next, in that next question is neither spade nor ace. Neither spade nor, neither nor में क्या होगा? P of A dash intersection B dash, right? P of A dash intersection B dash means what? P of A union B, the whole dash आएगा. कहीं भी ये लोगों ने whole dash नहीं लिखा है, so here you have to write whole dash. That means 1 minus P of A union B. That is 1 minus 4. A union B was what? 4 by 13. So 1 minus 4 by 13 is 9 by 13. Okay. So here the probability of the selected card is neither speed nor as is 9 by 30. Got it? Now next is your next question, that is fourth one. A number is selected from the natural number 1 to 100. Find the probability of the event that the selected number is a multiple of 3 or 5. A number is selected from a natural number 1 to 100. Total 100 numbers, after that one number is to be selected. That your total outcome comes to n equal to 10, 100C1, that is 100. So your n is 100. Okay. So what you have to find, A is the event that the selected number is a multiple of 3 or 5. So one by one you have to find. 3 or 5 बोला है ना, तो union आएगा, P of A union B. Okay, so A find करना है. So A will be multiple of selected number is a multiple of 3 and B will be selected number will be a multiple of 5. Okay. So see, पहले जैसा सम जैसा ही है, C3 और 5 है, तो P of A union B. Formula of P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Right? So one by one you have to find. A is even that the selected number is a multiple of 3. 3 के numbers क्या होंगे? 3, 6, 9 till 99. Okay. तो कैसे पता चलता है कि हमें 99 तक लेना है? देखो 100 is not a multiple of 3. So reverse में ले लो 99. So 99 is a multiple of 3. So you have to take till 99. So 99 divided by 3 comes to 33. So your m is 33 and P of A is m upon n, that is 33 upon 100. Now even that the selected number is a multiple of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 till 100. 100 is a multiple of 5. Okay, so now 100 divided by 5 comes to 20. So m is 20. That I told, I have explained in the previous video how you have to find like this directly, how you have to find without counting. So P of B equal to m upon n, that is 20 upon 100. So P of A intersection B find करना, that it is a multiple of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 means 15. Right? So 15, 30, 45 till 90. So P of A intersection B will be m upon n, that is 6 by 100. So अभी A union B find करना, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. They told that to find either it is multiple of 3 or 5. So your actual formula is P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. That is 30. P of A is 33 upon 100 plus 20 upon 100 minus 6 upon 100. That is 47 upon 100. Therefore, the probability of the selected number is a multiple of 3 or 5 is 47 upon 100. Or you can write it, many students are asking whether you can write in decimal or not. 0.47 लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं. Better to write in this way only, 447 upon 100. Okay. So this is the answer of your fourth sum. So today how many sums we have done? 3 sums from exercise 1.3, 1.2, 16, 17 and 18. And 4 sums from exercise 1.3, that is question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right. Now we'll do one more sum, that is question number 5. Two balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability that the sum of numbers on two dice is a multiple of 2 or 3. Same thing, है ना? Two dice, balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. So कितना होगा total outcome? 36. Two dice है, so 36 will be the outcome. Total outcome is 36. And even that the sum of the numbers on the two dice is a multiple of 2. Sum of the numbers is a multiple of 2 or 3. Same thing you have to find 2 or 3 बोला है तो A intersection B. So multiple of 2 will be A and multiple of 3 will be B and और आया है बीच में, so intersection. Sorry, union. Okay, so P of A is a multiple of 2. So multiple of 2 क्या होगा? Sum should be multiple of 2. That is 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Add करो तो 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, and like this you will be getting m equal to 18. So P of A is m upon n, that is 18 upon 36. Okay, now P of B is multiple of 3, that is 1 2 1 5 2 1 2 3 2 4 3 3. मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 होगा तो 3 के टेबल के नंबर्स आने जाते हैं, जैसे 3 6 9 12, तो 3 6 ये सब आने चाहिए नंबर्स. ओके, मल्टीपल्स ऐड करने पर 3 के टेबल के नंबर्स आने चाहिए. So that is m equal to 12, P of B is m upon n, that is 12 upon 36. और A intersection B is the multiple of 2 and 3 both, that is 6 का multiples देखना है. तो आपका आएगा 1 5 2 4 3 3 6 आया ना, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 3 6 like this. So A intersection B will be 6 by 36. So you have to put the values in the formula. A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. So your answer comes to 2 by 3. So again I will be explaining this sum in the next video. From 5th I will be starting. Okay. So this much is enough for today. We'll see in the next.